Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Boy. It's another sharing video. From the past two episodes, we have discussed about two biggest organizations in chemical engineering, which is IChemE and also IChE. And in this video, I will go deeper, so I will make a quick comparison between these two organizations. So if you have like a limited budget for spending in an organization, so you can watch this video to help you to decide. As a disclaimer, I will not make a rank between these two organizations, so I will just do a side-by-side comparison for each parameters. So the decision is in your hand. Okay, I'm on my presentation deck now. So let's start with the first parameter, which is the headquarters. So IChE, the headquarters is in New York, US, while IChemE is in Rugby, UK. Actually, IChemE also has an office in London, but after I searched the headquarters in Rugby. So what's the significance between the headquarters? So you can expect most of the event will be held in this area because this is the headquarters. For the members, IChE claims to have more than 60,000 members, while IChemE have more than 32,000. But actually, number is not really a problem for me, I think. And IChE formed in 1908, while IChemE is in 1922. So both actually already exist more than 100 years, which is very nice for an organization. I think this is just a proof that this organization really have the good quality. Next, about membership options. So for IChE, there are three membership options. IChE Explorer, which costs $72 per year. IChE Pro, where the fee depends on the status, whether you are an undergraduate or you are a graduate less than 1 year, graduate less than 2 years, and etc. And the third one is student membership, which is free. For IChemE, there are 6 options of members. The first one is student members. Same with IChE, it is free. Second, affiliate member, where in the country group 1, it costs around 73.5 GBP. Then technician member, this is a qualified membership. What does it mean? So this is a membership that there is a certain criteria that you should meet. Okay, the next one is associate member. Actually, I think this is also count as qualified membership, but I found the price here around 117 GBP. The next is about the chartered member. I think this is one of the famous membership in IChemE, yeah, because everyone posts that they are a chartered member in LinkedIn. So yeah, I think this is a very prestigious membership. This is not a qualified membership because it is like a proof that you're already in a certain level of your career or your contributions. And the last one is fellow, which is also a qualified membership. Okay, the next thing is about the networking platform. Yeah, both of this organization have the networking platform. The first one is IChE. IChE have Connected, and IChemE have IChemE Connect. So that's interesting that both have the same focus to connect chemical engineers around the world. Next is about the special interest groups. For IChE, there are 14 divisions and 8 forums. I cannot screenshot all the division and forums, but here I have the divisions. Yeah, while IChemE have 20 special interest groups. For publication, IChemE have several publications such as journals and then magazines. Yeah, we have 2 magazines in IChemE. The Chemical Engineer, it's the General Chemical Engineering magazine, and Loss Prevention Bulletin, which is very specific to process safety. And there are also several books that are published by IChemE. For IChE, they have CEP or Chemical Engineering Progress, IChE Journal, Process Safety Progress, Environmental Progress, and Biotechnology Progress. I also noticed that actually IChE have some publications for books, yeah, but I cannot really sort out all of it. The last one is about events. Actually, there are a lot of events from both this organization, but yeah, I just pick up 5 of it. Yeah, for the IChE side, we have the IChE annual meeting. Yeah, as the name implies that this meeting is held annually, and then IChE spring meeting. Usually, the spring meeting is held together with the Global Congress on Process Safety. Yeah. And this year, in 2025, Indonesia have the Student Regional Conference in UGM. So that's nice to hear. And last thing is Hydrogen Innovation and Technology Conference. Yeah. For IChemE side, there are Yocho Water Treatment Conference, Chemica 2025, Hazards Process Safety Conference. Yeah, this is very famous, I think, because each year there are several hazard conference. Yeah, like one in UK, one in Australia. So I think this is one of the prestigious events for process safety engineers. And then advance in the digitalization of process industries. So if you are interested in industry digitalization, this is very nice for you. And the last thing is IChemE Awards. So IChemE Awards, I think there are a lot of awards there. For myself, I already joined the Young Engineering Awards. There are also awards for the notable chemical engineers. And yeah, I think that's interesting if you want to find or you want to win awards. So definitely you can check the IChemE Awards. Okay, that's it for the comparison. I hope this comparison could help you to decide if you need to decide which organization you should join. Yeah, but my recommendation is if you have enough budget, you better join both of it, because for me, both organizations have their own strengths. So if you manage to join both of the organization, you can get the maximum benefit. One message from me: when you join the organization, you need to actively involve inside the organization by joining the events. You also can explore the resources, the knowledge articles, publications. So make sure you don't waste your money for nothing. Make sure that during the 1 year membership, you can get the most benefit that you could. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope it will be useful for you, and see you in the next ChEring episode. Bye bye.